If you are someone that wants to make passive income selling on Amazon so you can quit your job, have financial freedom, and be your own boss, then this video is for you because I am going to show you how to find just one winning product to sell on Amazon that can replace whatever amount of money that you are currently making at your 9 to 5. Selling products on Amazon is more competitive than ever, but I promise you, if you follow this product research tutorial to the end, you will find the right product to sell and you will see how simple it is to get customers to throw money at you. My student Masha replaced her income and makes an additional $7,000 every month simply by following everything that I am going to teach you in this video. Now she uses her free time to travel and to launch more products so she can make more money. If you like making money on Amazon, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's dive right in. I will be using Helium 10 software to teach you how to find a winning product to sell on Amazon. If you do not have Helium 10 just yet, then go to the YouTube description box below and click on the link to sign up. You can get 20% off Helium 10 by using this discount code right here. Make sure you get on the Platinum plan so you can have access to all these features. If you don't have Helium 10, then you are not able to follow along and you cannot run your entire Amazon FBA business successfully. After you log in, go to Product Research, Black Box. Click on this right here. This is one of my favorite ways to look for winning products to sell. We will be using the Products tab, and when you go down, you want to select a category. Today, I want to look at arts, crafts, and sewing. This is one of my favorite categories besides the toys and games category. All of my winning products I've been finding in toys and games, but to switch things up, let's use arts, crafts, and sewing. For review count, I want to look at products that have between 5 reviews and 1,000 reviews. I don't want to look at products with no reviews because that would mean that it has little to no sales velocity. And we want to look at products that have been selling on Amazon for a while so we can see what our competitors are doing. And I don't want to focus on products that have over 1,000 reviews because that would mean the product could be saturated or a top seller is already dominating this category. For shipping size, we will select small and large standard size. For weight, we don't want to look at products that are over 2 pounds because it will get too heavy and it costs more to sell products on Amazon that are bulky, big, and heavy. So you want to avoid all of that. For fulfillment, we want to look at FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by merchant means that you, the seller, is fulfilling every order. And that's not what we want to do because there's too much labor work involved. And the whole purpose of having an Amazon FBA business is so Amazon's workers can do all the heavy lifting for you. For variation count, let's do less than 2 variations. You don't want to look at products on Amazon that have a lot of variations because it's very hard to compete. For example, if you want to sell your black coffee mug and there are already existing sellers on Amazon selling a black coffee mug and colors of the rainbow, then obviously customers will go to your competitor to buy that product and they will not buy from you since you only have one color product. So you want to look at products with less than 2 variations. Unless you are an expert at doing this, then sure, you can look at products with more than 2 variations. For price point, I want to look at products between $15 to $28. Now, before, I was able to look at products that were being sold for the lowest price at 12 or 13 bucks. But some fees have increased on Amazon, and if you want your profit margins to be bigger, then I suggest you to sell a product that is a little higher in price, starting at 15 bucks per unit. Next is the monthly revenue. We want to look at products that make between $20,000 to $80,000 every month in revenue. Why do I say this? Because if I take out my calculator, let's just pretend that your average monthly income is $5,000. I think this is pretty average for most beginners who are working a normal 9 to 5 job. And if I multiply this by 12 months out of the year, on average, you probably make around $60,000 every year. Now, if I look at products that make between $20,000 to $80,000 per month, let's look at the profit. So for $20,000, if I multiply this by a 30% profit margin, it means that I can profit $6,000 per month if I look for products that make over $20,000 per month. So if I multiply this by 12 months, if I find just one winning product to sell on Amazon, I can profit around $72,000 per year. Not bad. This will replace all the money that you're making at a typical 9 to 5 job. And if you are making more than 72 grand a year, then all you need to do is find a product that makes closer to $80,000 per month in revenue. So this will all make sense in just a little bit. Now that I have entered my criteria, I want to click on search. So Helium 10 will pull up all the potential products that make between $20,000 to $80,000 per month in revenue, and that has less than 1,000 reviews, and the price point is between 15 to 28 bucks. It's basically everything that we entered in the criteria, and now Helium 10 has found these products. Now, I've been selling products on Amazon for 6 years, so right when I look at a product, I kind of know right away whether or not it's a good product. So I'm going to go through this quickly to see if we can find ourselves a winning product. This is a yarn winder. I don't find this product to be good because it's kind of boring and there's no room for differentiation. The next product we have here is this is black and white thread. Again, another boring product that you cannot differentiate. The main thing that I look for when it comes to products is differentiation. You probably heard this before, but if your product is not well differentiated, or if you source a product that looks like everyone else's product and that is easy to copy, like this product right here, then you will not be able to make a lot of money on Amazon. Customers like unique products that are high in quality. So this looks like a unique type of product. I never seen this product before. And just by looking at this air dry clay, I can see that I can differentiate it. Maybe I can use different colors. Maybe I can sell a different quantity. Maybe I can use different shapes. I already thought of ways to differentiate this product just by looking at it. So that's what you want to do. When you find a product on Black Box, you want to ask yourself, can I differentiate it? And if I do, is it easy to differentiate? Because again, if you are selling products like threads, you cannot differentiate threads. Like, what can you possibly differentiate? Not much. So you want to find a product that is unique. So now when I have found a potential product to sell, I want to open it up on Amazon. If you are a beginner Amazon seller and you need one-on-one help with finding products to sell that can make at least $10,000 every month, then I want to invite you to my Amazon training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link. You will end up on this website where you can enter your name and email address to watch my training. I will teach you the 2 most important steps to finding a winning product and using AI to differentiate your product so you can generate more money on Amazon. At the end of the training, you get to book a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and they will help you beginning to end how to launch your entire Amazon FBA business and make money. Now, going back to this product, I want to use Helium 10 magnet to see how much demand there is for this product. So this is my main keyword. It is air dry clay. So if you find any products, you want to copy the main keyword for the product, go to Helium 10, go to magnet keyword research, which is right here. And then we want to look at the demand for this specific keyword. You want to see how many customers are searching for this product because if there are a good amount of customers searching for this product on Amazon, that means you have a product that people will pay you money for. If you find a product that not many customers are searching on Amazon on this search bar, then you cannot make money, right? How can you make money if customers are not searching for your product? So if you find a product, you just want to take that keyword, put it into Magnet, and then click on Get Keywords. Let's look up how many searches this product has every month. Head on down and then click on search volume from big to small. You can also look at keyword sales, but for me, I like to do things the traditional way, which is looking at search volume. On the left-hand side, I can find my keyword right here, which is air dry clay. This tells me that for this keyword, it generates 3,415 sales per month just by this keyword. So when a customer searches this keyword, there are this many sales being generated, which is very high, and it is a good sign. I can see that the search volume trend is also going up. This means that more customers are searching for this keyword and buying the product, which is a good sign. And the search volume is over 61,000, which means there are over 61,000 searches per month with customers typing in that keyword on Amazon, which equals to a lot of sales. So far, I like the demand on this product. Let's see if there are other keywords that describe our product and that is also driving sales. So for Play-Doh, it kind of describes our air dry clay, but not quite. Let's see clay bar. Is clay bar our product? No, this is a different type of product. You see how the keywords are fairly similar, but when you look at clay bar, these are bars to clean your car with, I believe, to take dirt or whatever it is off your car. So that keyword does not work. So if we keep on going, I believe there was another keyword. Air dry clay for adults. Products look like this, or air dry clay for kids. So this keyword is more closer to the product that we were looking at. It is exactly the product, similar to air dry clay. So if I look at the demand for this product, this keyword, air dry clay for kids, makes just under 600 sales per month. And the search volume is over 11,000 searches per month, which is still good. If you have search volume in the mid 5-figure range per month, then there is demand. There are customers waiting to pay you for this product. And I see a slight drop of 6%. This is not much to worry about. This still checks out. Okay, so far I like the product. The demand is very good. So you want to do this for yourself. You want to check the demand using Magnet on Helium 10. Next, I want to look at the total revenue for this product. So I am going on Amazon.com and typing in air dry clay. Click enter. And then you want to click on your Helium 10 Chrome extension, click on X-Ray Amazon Product Research. Make sure you install Helium 10 extension in your Chrome web store. If you do not have this extension just yet, then make sure you go to your Chrome web store, type in Helium 10 and install it. Then you can click on it and follow along. So let's click on revenue and sort it from big to small. I just want to look at the private label sellers. So I want to remove the big brands like Crayola. Crayola seems like it sells their products on this first page. So I am just going to remove it. Okay, looks like there's only 3. And I want to pay close attention to the private label sellers. Now, I'm about 95% sure that these are private label sellers, and I only want to focus on how much money they are making because I'm a private label seller. If I source my dry clay bars, I want to make sure that I can compete with other private label sellers and not big brands. So this private label seller is selling their clay bars for $7.99. The price point is too low. So I don't want to think of this seller as a competitor. Instead, I want to be like this guy. I'm selling my product for about 25 bucks, and this guy makes just under $80,000 every month. So if I take up my calculator, 80 grand per month, multiply that by a 30% profit margin, which is something that you should aim for when you are doing private label, This seller takes home about 24 grand every month. So, I mean, for sure, I know that this will replace your 9 to 5 income if you were this seller. So, we want to see other private label sellers that are making good money as well. This seller sells it for 12 bucks. Okay, not bad. It's on the lower side, but look at how much money they are making. There are over 20 private label sellers making over $20,000 in revenue every month. There is so much demand for this product, and there is a very high chance you can come in here, source a better version of this product, private label it, and make some money. I know this for a fact because, again, there are already so many existing sellers that are private label that are making a killing selling this product. So if that checks out and you've done the research to differentiate your product, it is now time to find suppliers on Alibaba.com that can source this product so you can sell your product on Amazon. Just like my other student, Nico, who makes over $25,000 in profit every month by following this exact tutorial. You can watch my interview with Nico right here. So going back to finding suppliers on Alibaba, just click on this button that you see right here, find suppliers on Alibaba. Now I can see suppliers on Alibaba that can source this type of product. Now, obviously, you want to find a supplier that is verified, that has been in business for a while, and they are selling their product for a decent price. There will be some suppliers that charge more. For example, this supplier charges anywhere between $2.66 to $5.80 a piece, whereas a supplier like this charges anywhere from 58 cents to $1.16 per piece. Now, these are just rough estimates. I don't want you to think that this is set in stone. You have to contact the supplier, tell them exactly what differentiation you want for your product, and then get a quote, do the math, and see what your profit margins are. And of course, after your supplier sources your product, you can ship it to the FBA warehouse where it will be listed live on Amazon so you can start making some money. Now, there are a lot of steps in this tutorial, so if you have any questions about anything, just drop me a comment in the comment section below. Also, let me know what types of video you want to see on my channel next. Let's recap all the steps so you know exactly what to do. Step number 1, sign up for Helium 10 software. Go to Tools, go to Black Box Amazon Product Research, enter our product research criteria, and find a winning product to sell. When you find a product that you can easily differentiate, go to that product listing and copy that keyword. Go back to Helium 10. Step 2 is to go to Magnet in Helium 10 keyword research. Punch in that keyword and look for the demand for the keywords related to your product. If that checks out, step 3 is to go to Amazon.com, type in that keyword, pull up X-Ray, Amazon Product Research, and take a look at the revenue. See how much money your competitors are making. And step 4 is to do some research by yourself to see how you can differentiate the product. And finally, step 5 is to find suppliers on Alibaba.com. You want to find suppliers that have been in business for a long time, that are verified, and that can source you this product for a super low price. I hope this video has helped you find a winning product to replace whatever amount of money that you are currently making at your 9 to 5. Again, if you need one-on-one help with finding products that can make at least $10,000 every month, then I want to invite you to my free Amazon training in the YouTube description below. Just click on the link, sign up for my training, and book a one-on-one call with my team so we can help you through the entire process. Up next, I will show you in this video how to differentiate your product on Amazon by using AI.